Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ilara Ella, of course, your favorite baby girl, always and forever. So, as you can see, we're currently at Obudu. So this is the following morning, the next morning, and today we are all ready for gym section. So actually not for gym, we decided to do a little bit of yoga, then stretch and run, just exercise our bones, because yesterday was quite a journey. And then again, if this is the first time coming to my channel, please make sure you don't make it your last by clicking the subscribe button down below. Turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I make a post, you will be notified. And for my old time subscribers, you guys are the real deal. You guys are the real MVPs. If you are watching this video right now and you are yet to subscribe, I wonder what you're still waiting for. Click the subscribe button right now. Yes, click it right now. So let's go stretch. Let's go do this yoga. Party on the beach. Okay, on to the activities for the day.
As you are just going on the hill, you just get it. Yeah.
Beautiful. So what are you going to use it for?
We are going to slice it and put it in the pot. Put some Maggi. Then we put it in the pan.
And choose that way.
Hello, college, I don't need
It's
to.
beautiful.
So this one is edible.
This is
What is your name?
Merit.
Merit. Bye. Bye. So guys, the first activity we had on our tour list is the canopy walk. Yes, and we are super excited for this. I've never done anything like this before except my regular hiking. And mind you, if you're coming here, make sure you get lots and lots of hiking clothes, because I was not informed. I thought you wanted to say something. Say something to YouTube people.
guys.
So
Canopy walk.
Okay. How are you feeling? Excited? Scared?
Super excited.
Scared, though.
Excited.
Mixture of scared and excitement. It's called scared. Okay, this thing is beginning to look quite scary.
David, please.
Welcome to what?
Welcome to Becheve Nature Reserve.
Okay.
The name, as it implies, Becheve.
Okay.
It is actually a community facility. It's owned by the Becheve community,
Okay.
but it's being funded by the Nigerian Conservation Foundation. So they are into conserving nature. And animals. So it's actually a reserve forest as you look at it. This is where we happen to have the canopy walkway located. So that's where we'll be going to from here now. So
Okay, lead the way, sir.
So this was where the Golden Achievement Search that was hosted in Obudu 2005. That one Chidi
Mokeme. Okay.
This was where they did this.
Oh wow, really? We had no idea.
But now you have one.
Thank you for enlightening us. Okay. So I think this is like the very first canopy walk that I'll be doing since the history of canopy walks. I've not been able to go for the Lagos one. I've not been to the Lagos canopy walk. So I'm quite excited because I like to do scary shits. If you guys, I don't know if you guys have figured that yet, but it also I scare a lot. Mind you, I scare a lot, but at the same time, I like to do scary things because I like to challenge myself. When something is challenging, trust me, I'll do it. When you tell me don't do this, you might get hurt. I'll do it because I get coconutted. I know they hear a word.
The monkey face view. Monkey face view. It's actually a point where people go to stand during the season that the monkeys have migrated from the bigger forest to this one we happen to be in now.
Okay.
So they will use a binoculars to be viewing from afar because our animals here are not caged. They move on their natural habitat. So in order for researchers to know the type of monkeys that are found on top of the plateau. They go to that point. It's 1 hour to walk from here.
From here.
So they stand there with the use of a binocular. Going through the forest.
Did someone call chicken? Cause quack 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 quack. Chicken. Chicken Republic. Oh. Jesus is Lord. Ma. No. I need both hands for this. I'm really sorry, guys, but I need both hands. I need my 2 hands, cause guy, this thing is moving. This thing is dancing. But if Bobo can do this, I can do this. Hey, Mr. Charles. So I bet. Apparently, you're holding me here. It's better. Mr. Charles, why you not holding anything? No, don't try. Mr. Charles, don't come too close to me, please. Your weight is too much. Your weight will send me down.
He's guiding you. So you've been enjoying on this walk. Let him go back. Let him go back. No, please. Charles, I beg. Oh.
I'm lightweight. My papa loves me pass all my sins. He never gives papa on top my head, I beg. 70.5 feet high, 60 kilometers long. Guy, we did that. If you think you can, come to Obudu and try. Period. Let's go up so I can show you guys what 70.5 feet of the floor looks like. So guys, you're up. No, I don't. Hi, so guys, we are up. So finally, we'll be going down shortly. So this is 60 meters walk, 60 meters canopy walk, and we're 70.5 feet high off the ground, off the floor. Guys, this is it's so scary. It is so scary. Like, I'm literally going to pee my pants if I don't have anything to hold on to. But then again, life is all about risk. And for someone that is afraid of heights, I am really doing a great job. Like, I need to applaud myself. I need to buy myself a present because, guys, this thing is scary. Are you still snapping? Hi, really? You're smart. I beg. Make we dey go because, guys, we've tried. Chineke me, going down. No, we need to get this straight. How are you feeling? Because that 60 meters felt like 11 kilometers to me. Exactly. How are you feeling?
At the beginning of the video, I said excited. Now I felt scared.
If Bobo was able to do that, I don't understand why you guys are crying.
I was only excited when I was about taking pictures and videos. Of course, you have to make it.
No, there was this
like
point that the net was it's already
trying to break out.
I can't even explain that. I can't go.
Like this.
I really have to.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry, you guys. I could not get a video of all of that.
I'm so proud of myself.
Guys, I cannot hold. Like, we need both hands. We need to hold both hands to work perfectly. So maybe whenever I find myself in under canopy walk, I will try to be a pro about it. But for this one, Thank God for life. That's all I have to say. Because we prayed. We called on baby Jesus. We called on Virgin Mary. We called on Father Lord in heaven. We called everybody. See this woman acting like she's happy with what they did. She they cry Hail Mary.
Off my bucket list. Hold my son.
Canopy walk off the list. So up next. What are we doing next? What are we doing next?
With this kind of adrenaline rush, I think I need to calm down.
You need to calm down. I beg, guys. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. We need to figure out the next place we're going to visit in Obudu. But so far, so good. It's been fun. Crazy things are happening. Mysterious things are happening in this Obudu. I don't understand. Like, a few minutes ago, here was so clear. Now, everywhere is foggy. How? It's baffling. I cannot wait for tomorrow morning because I'm very certain there will be so much fog tomorrow morning. I'll be able to show you guys. But for now, take a look at this.
Yeah, mysterious things,
I'm telling you, like, this place, just a few minutes ago, you could see everything. And right now, I could barely, I just walked past here. And now it's all foggy. Like, I can see a ghost coming to get us, man. Let's run. Up next is the water park. We were actually informed that it is not working at the time, but we already came with our bikinis, and the tour guide told us that there is a spring water just by the side, so we can actually take a couple of pictures and play with the water. So here we are. Kowale, are you coming or not? Hi, good evening. Good evening. Thank you so much. Okay. What is your name, sir?
My name is John.
Mr. John, you're going to lead us around the water park, yeah? Okay. What people are doing to us. So
All
I'm
the way
telling
from
you,
where we are coming from, things are
things are not functioning.
All of it. Very soon we'll start seeing pictures of people and they should function in their own time.
it's not fair. And people come here a lot.
But when you come here
There is-
during festive period, it will be functioning.
Come up for here. It's supposed to be functioning all the time.
Compliments.
Does not have the it's not functioning.
It's not functioning. Like, it's so dirty. And this is clean. Like, the pool is clean. If they're taking care of it, it would have been. See now, Spyrogyra is everywhere.
Where is the water park?
This one is not even advised to be covering it now. Let's go.
It's not the people that left it like this. I will show them. Because if people want it to be clean, if people don't want it, people will make it clean. Because we've already had, you're coming to Obudu, come and do plenty fun things. No, we are coming here. Oh. I don't know what my sister is saying. This water is not deep, huh?
This one?
Yes.
No, it's not all that big. Not deep.
Someone can enter inside, huh?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you stay, you can look at them over there.
Yes. Mr. John, I'm going to change. And then I will come back. With you. That was not so difficult. Did you guys see all that? Oh, but it's fine. No. I don't know about you, but I'm going to get into the whole bikini mood and then snap some pictures for the gram. You feeling me? Okay, so let's do this. Let us go. Hey, let's. You want to see it's very fine. Yes, it's a waterfall.
Like
We'll get a nice picture. No, it's not like it's low. It's a low spring. It's not so high. So guys, Let's change and get to stepping, yeah? Woo! No, don't fall down there. I will not fall. Well, this is the end of the natural stream, spring water, whatever they call it, for us today. And we're done. This is me in my full regalia, or whatever they call it. So let's go back to our apartment, shower, and call it a day. Okay? Okay. Goodbye. Try. Look at compliments. You see, Enugu people don't rate me. So the amount of compliment I'm getting in this Obudu. Fine girl, beautiful girl. Let's get serious. So, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, reporting live from Obudu Cattle Ranch. Yes, the skin is giving per usual. So today we're starting off with angelic view. I think that was what he called it. Mr. Charles is coming, so he can set me straight. But I think he mentioned angelic view, then the rest. But today we're just starting off with the angelic view, and I think we're here. I don't know. I'm waiting for the rest of the crew to get here so we can start off. So till then, a little OOTD. I'm wearing my white vest, my leather jacket, my shorts, socks, and high boots. Can you be audible?
That one there is the presidential guest house.
Presidential guest house, presidential lodge.
This presidential.
Which one is bulletproof?
Bulletproof.
Really?
Let me see her.
I thought all these things are wood.
They made this one bulletproof.
Wow.
They will put a panel inside.
Inside. Wow.
And the glasses. Like the glasses, once you get even shot on the glass before late Musa Yaradua did the commissioning of the place when they were done with the project.
Wow. Impressive. Interessant.
When we start here, so this way we have the presidential helipad. That's where the helicopter that is bringing the president lands. Then the president will decide either to take a walk through the stairs you will see now.
Oh, really?
Or he will be driven with a vehicle around.
The president will decide if he's going to take the stairs up or if they will drive him around to this presidential.
Wow. Presidential helipad.
Wow.
Hey, FML. Money is good.
So the white building you're seeing over there,
Is that supposed to be the
that
White
one
House?
is the president governor's house.
Yeah, that white building.
That's the president governor's house.
So let us see.
Here.
I am really sorry, you guys, because my phone is not doing justice to the view here.
This view is very beautiful.
You guys should just subscribe to my channel so I'll save up enough money to buy camera and I'll be giving you guys better view. So we came back from the angelic view and rested a bit to proceed with our picnic. Only for us to come out to this. Like, we literally just dressed up, did our makeup to this. How do we create content in this weather? How? Like, it's literally impossible. Like, I can barely see this house over there. Like, everywhere is just so foggy, and this is just 3 p.m. So the fog yesterday succeeded in scattering all our plans. We were not able to go for the Grotto waterfall and the Holy Mountain and a whole lot of other activities on the tour list. But today we decided we must do our picnic, enjoy the fruits that we bought and everything, because come hell or high waters, Obudu weather is not going to spoil our fun. So today is the D-Day. Today is the day we pack up our bags and we're leaving the cabin. And this is us saying goodbye to the apartment 907 that's been kind, that's been housing us this past couple of days. It's been amazing, it's been fun, but at the same time we'll have to go back to Enugu and face our reality. So guys, if you enjoyed this video as much as I did, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, like this video, share to your friends, comment, drop your comments because I want to know how you feel about this video, and most importantly, subscribe. So next time, I remain Ilora Ella. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.